Okay. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 24 for the Beautymas here on the YouTube channel. So today is actually Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas guys. So for today's video, I wanted to kind of do like a Christmas Eve makeup look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to use two eyeshadow palettes for this look. So we're going to start with the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe eyeshadow palette. We are going to take the shade MFEO, which is this one. And we are going to apply that in the crease. I'm going to build it up towards the brow bone, or towards the brow. And with another brush, like this one from Sephora, this is an large angled eyeshadow brush. I'm going to take, let's see, I want to take Central Park. I'm going to take Central Park. I'm going to apply this to the outer part of the eye and then blending it up in the crease. Then with my finger, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and we are going to be using the color Bronze. I'm going to use my finger to apply this on the lid. I'm also going to apply a little bit more of Central Park in the outer part of the eye. And what I sometimes like to do as well is I go in with a brush and I'm going to spray it just to get a little bit damp, and then we're going to go into Bronze again and go over that to make it a little bit more vibrant. Oh, and by the way, this eye look, or this entire look, I'm going to be wearing on Christmas Eve. So now I'm going to quickly do the other side and we'll be right back. We're going to start by applying the Jafra Matte Foundation in Muslin. I'm going to use the Invincible Beauty Pinnacle Foundation brush to apply it. With the brush this time, I'm going to take my Jafra Cream Concealer in Light. I'm going to use the Bdellium Fiber Brush, and I'm just going to apply this in the under eye area. And then any blemishes. And then again, like always, I'm going to use my finger to blend this. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to take the Honest Beauty Cream Cheek Blush in Coral Peach. So I'm going to do kind of like that frostbite type of look. So I'm going to do it on the nose as well, and then on the forehead. But we're going to use another blush as like a blush topper and a sec just on the cheeks. For the blush topper, I'm going to use the Jafra Powder Blush in Rose Oro. It has a little bit of sparkle to it, which I really like. So I'm just going to apply this blush on the cheek. Now we can set everything. I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in Classic Ivory. First we are going to set the under eye area. and the T-zone actually. With a bigger brush, we're going to use the same powder and set the outside of the face. Then I also want to use a highlight, so I'm going to use the Jafra highlight stick in Bubbly. I'm going to kind of do that halo highlight thing. So I'm going to go there, the inner corner. Usually I go here in the outer corner, but I'm not going to do it for this one. And then on the brow bone. Now it's time for the lips. So I'm going to take the Jafra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color Cupid's Kiss. With especially this liquid lipstick, I like to use a brush, so I'm going to use the, I think this was an e.l.f. lip brush, I can't remember. So I'm just going to use that to apply the liquid lipstick. I'm going to pick up a little bit more of this. I'm going to let that kind of dry a little bit, and then we're going to apply a lip gloss on top. For lip gloss, I'm going to use my favorite lip gloss. This is the Jafra Royal Plumping Lip Jelly in Sugar and Spice. I'm going to now use my Jafra Volumizing Brow Gel to set the brows. Now I'm going to set the makeup with my DIY setting spray. Oops. That was it for today's video. See you guys tomorrow for day 24. Bye!